Nagka-carb ka.
That's a giant Sunday, Art. What do you think about my dream? Yeah, well, what do you think about my dream then? Just favored by 3.
Listen, we know what's going to happen. Wink Martindale's going to split Zach Wilson coming out of the bus, right? If they don't have a plan for that, then they're going to on the tag for active part. So on the flip side, you talk about Evan Mills. Who knows? They have a quarterback controversy going on. Tyrod Taylor. Everybody wants. Everybody loves the back and quarterback is the most controversial of the team. It's going to be interesting to see who they decide to start. I don't know if you want to put Daniel Jones out there with an alien jump.
No,
That's
put Tyrod Taylor.
tremendous pass rush. But you say I got $40 million and he carries the seat. If he's healthy, you put him in the game.
Kaya ko yan mag-carb
I
yan.
need somebody on the side.
Simple lang sa akin. Pag may mga shade na ganyan, parang paddle. Yung may mga
Ano
tube.
rin. Aabot ka rin dito sa level ko.
Yan na sabihin. Ito yung second level ng carving. Yung third level, yun yung mahirap. Kasi yun yung totoong sculpture ng pumpkin. Yun yung third level eh. First level, generic, simple carving. Yung cut-cut lang. Second level, yung ginagawa akong carving. Ito yung third level. Wala pa ako dyan. Nasa second pa lang ako. Yung fourth level, yun yung totoong carving. Para ka nag-sculpture pero sa pumpkin. Diba? Mahirap yun. Yun na yung mga tutok, yung mga bihasa.
LeBron and KD added another chapter to their history. Last night. How much has their rivalry meant to the league? That debate straight ahead. This hurts in NYC, folks. How about that?
Yeah.
Dak Prescott has reported